All right, let's dive right in. We're talking about a massive shift that's happening right now in real time. We're going to uncover the single most important skill you need for the AI era. And trust me, it is not what you're probably thinking.
Okay, first up, just picture your typical workday, right? You've got the emails piling up, the meetings, the reports. Now, what if you could supercharge that whole process with a brand new kind of assistant? One that's always on, crazy fast, and ready to learn whatever you throw at it.
So imagine walking in, sitting down at your desk, and bam, there's a perfect summary of that late meeting from last night. All the key decisions, the action items, everything's already laid out. Then you think, hey, I need some marketing copy. You ask for 5 different versions, and they just appear instantly. Look, this isn't sci-fi anymore. This is a real shift, and it's totally changing what it even means to be good with computers.
And this slide right here, it just nails the core change. For decades, we had to tell computers exactly how to do something, right? Step by step, line by painful line of code. But now, we just tell the AI what we want. We give it a goal, and it figures out the how. We've literally gone from being programmers to being coaches.
So, to make this super clear, let's look at a real world story that I think is just fascinating. It's basically the tale of two colleagues. And as we walk through how they work, I want you to ask yourself, in today's world, who's actually more valuable to the team? So, first, you've got colleague A, the coder. This is the person we've always thought of as the tech person, right? They know a bit of Python, they write their own scripts to pull data, then they spend hours wrangling it all in Excel, and finally they stare at a blank screen to write up a report from scratch. You know the type. It's a solid, classic approach, but man, is it a ton of work. Okay, now let's meet colleague B, the AI trainer. This person knows zero code. None. Instead of writing a script, they just tell the AI the goal, and the AI spits out the code for them. They drag and drop huge documents and get an instant analysis. They even build a custom knowledge base so the AI can just generate those daily reports automatically. See the difference? They're not doing the work. They've taught the AI to do the work. Game changer. And here it is, the punchline. Who did the team value more? It was B, the AI trainer. They weren't seen as the tech expert. No, they were seen as a productivity multiplier, someone who made the entire team faster and smarter. And that is a huge deal. It shows that your value isn't just about what you can do, but what you can get others, in this case, an AI, to do for you. So, naturally, this brings us to the big question. What on earth is an AI trainer? I mean, it's the skill that made Colleague B so critical, and the good news is it's something anyone can learn. Let's really break it down. Okay, first things first, AI trainer isn't some formal job title you'll find on LinkedIn. It's more of a capability. And here's the best way to think about it. Imagine you just hired a new employee. This employee is a genius, works 24/7, and never gets tired. But it has zero common sense. It doesn't know your business, your tone, or your goals. Your job is to be its manager, its mentor. You have to train it. And what I love about this is how simple it really breaks down. There are just 3 core actions. First, you teach the AI to understand what you actually want. Like, is this for a formal report or a quick casual email? Second, you guide its output. You get specific about the tone, the format, make it sound professional, or structure this like a McKinsey report. And third, you train it to act. You start chaining tasks together. It's a simple loop. Understand the goal, refine the output, and automate the action. That's it. That's the secret sauce of being a trainer. This table is perfect because it shows you exactly where the AI trainer fits into the whole ecosystem. A programmer writes the rules for the machine in code. A data labeler feeds it clean examples so it can learn. But the AI trainer, they're the one in the middle, telling the already trained AI what to do in your specific world. They're the essential link between the AI's raw power and getting real-world work done. Okay, so this isn't just some abstract theory, right? This scale is already completely changing how entire industries work. And believe me, the pace is only getting faster. Let's take a look at what's happening out there right now. I mean, just look at this timeline. It's insane. In 2024, models like GPT-4o suddenly got eyes and ears. They can see, hear, and speak. By 2025, we're not just talking about chatbots anymore. We're talking about agents that can handle full, complex tasks all on their own. When things are moving this fast, the most valuable skill isn't knowing how to code the AI from scratch, it's knowing how to train the one you've got. Let's start with the office.
Just think about all the hours we've all wasted summarizing meetings. Well, tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot are making that obsolete. You can train an AI on your company's internal documents, and suddenly you have an expert on call that can draft reports in your style using your data. All that boring, repetitive work, it's just gone, which frees you up to do the actual thinking and strategizing that matters. And get this, even the coders themselves are becoming AI trainers. With tools like GitHub Copilot, the AI isn't just a helper, it's a full-on coding partner. So now developers are guiding the AI to build out features. This frees them up from hunting for that missing semicolon to focusing on the big picture stuff, system architecture, creative problem solving. Their value is shifting from writing perfect code to designing brilliant systems. Now in marketing and e-commerce, the change is absolutely stunning. You can generate an entire campaign's worth of on-brand images and ads with a single sentence. And it's not just visuals. Platforms like Shopify basically have a built-in AI business consultant now. So marketers aren't just writing copy anymore. They're training their store's AI to be the ultimate salesperson, constantly analyzing data and tweaking strategy on the fly. And this might be one of the most powerful examples: education. AI is becoming a personal 24/7 tutor for every single student. It can adapt to your unique learning style, create quizzes just for you, and explain a tough concept in 10 different ways until it finally clicks. I mean, this is a massive leap towards truly personalized learning. It could completely change what a classroom even looks like. So look, the message here is crystal clear. This isn't just about learning a couple of new apps or tools. This is about developing a brand new core skill, and it doesn't matter what your job title is. And this slide just lays it all out. On one side, you have what most people are doing with AI, right? Writing a bit of text, translating a phrase, maybe generating a funny image for social media. It's fine. It's a tool. But on the other side, you have what an AI trainer does. They're building automated research workflows. They're doing deep data analysis. They're managing the AI like a digital team member. This is the difference between being a casual user and being a power user. The real question is, which side of this chart do you want to be on? And that brings us to the final question, the one I want you to really think about. As you move forward from here, are you going to keep treating AI like just another tool in your toolbox? Something you pick up and put down? Or are you going to start treating it like your new, most powerful employee, one that you need to train and guide and manage to unlock its incredible potential? The choice really is yours. Thanks for tuning in.